All right, people. Hello, everyone. So this short video is a quick update on the latest features and the usage of versa.ai. Right. I changed the UI a little bit. I added these features so it's very clear what the roadmap is. We'll see that there are a bunch of features that are already enabled, and there are some features that are coming soon. Some of them will be only for registered users, so don't forget to create an account if you like this concept. If you think this would be helpful for you, go ahead and just create an account. Takes 30 seconds, so takes 20 seconds, nothing, and it's free, of course. So why not? Anyways, I want to do a quick demonstration of how to use Versa and talk about some of the current limitations and the things I'm working on. Right. So let's say we speak English and we want to practice Italian for the context of this demonstration. Let's say we want to practice at the gym. We want to simulate a conversation at the gym. We can say, I'm just going to start with something very generic. I can type in either English or Italian. Let's talk about, no, let's practice. All right. One precaution that we need to have when using the app is if we say we want to go to the gym, if we want to practice in this setting, we need to send a message that's kind of appropriate to that setting, right? For example, I cannot say, hey, give me a coffee, for example, if we're going to the gym. That's a precaution we should have when using the app. Other than that, it's you have full flexibility to say whatever you want. All right. Ciao, certamente offriamo servizi come l'accesso alla sala PESI. All right, let's say we're not sure what this means. We can click here to get more information. Right now, we're only getting the translation, right, which is already pretty useful, but we're going to be getting new features. For example, very soon we're going to get word-by-word translations and examples of the usage of the words, so we can actually learn like what specific words and phrases mean. In future updates, also, we're going to be able to save these words and phrases so we find it useful. This will only be for registered users only, right? So all the people that have an account at that time will be able to take advantage of this feature. All right, car equipment, which of these are you more interested in? And here we can pick the suggestions. Recently, I added the translation to the suggestions, so we actually know what this means, right? We can type anything here. We can type anything English or Italian again. Let's say, posso avere un tour della palestra. Can have a tour of the gym. So palestra is gym, right? Another thing I'm working on fixing is the speed. One of the priorities here is to make this very like as fast as possible. There are some delays because of the API that I'm using, but I'm working on it and it's fixable. Right. Certamente ti mostrerò la sala di pesi, la attrezzature. I don't know what that word means. Equipment. Okay, very good. So yeah, right now we're practicing at the gym, right? If we want to restart this, we can click here. In the future, we're going to be able to save our conversations or chats so we can review them later. Let's say we don't want to practice any of this context. We want to do something more generic. I'm going to unselect this, and we're going to say, let's say, can you help me practice some vocabulary? Let's say about the colors. So when you don't select a context, you have full flexibility basically to talk about anything you want related to the language. You can talk about grammar. You can ask about grammar to give you examples about different sentences, tenses, or practice vocabulary or whatever you want, right? If you don't select a specific situation. Certo, quali colori vuoi imparare? Vuoi imparare I colori primari? Let's say I want to learn the 5 most common colors. We can type in either English or Italian. So yeah, this is like 2-in-1, right? We can either practice specific situations, or we can practice, or we can take advantage of this language tutor that we have here. Again, I'm going to be fixing the speed very soon. Rosso, blu, giallo. I'm gonna add and very soon we're going to be able to use our voice, and we're going to be able to listen to the sentences being pronounce, right? So we actually know how to pronounce this. Do you want me to repeat them? We don't need them to be repeated because they are already written there. Anyways, that's the current state of Versa. That's the current iteration. There are many more features in the way, as you can see here. If you have any suggestions, any comments, if you've used this and you like it and you think it could be improved in any way, please let me know. This is a product. This is an app that's meant to help you guys, to help all of you guys that are learning languages. So if there's anything I can do to make the app better for you, just let me know. Yeah. I hope you like this. I hope you find this useful. Let me know your thoughts, and I'll see you in the next video.